Kublai pi baro kini gilong ki kubor pam takasngi. Hadian ka jingpin na ya ka result SSLC Arhajar Arpenriu da ka Meghalaya Board of School Education Embos. Kawai na ki samla puli ka Sanidahun rilari tinong klau na All Saint High Secondary School. Kalapun pau ya ka jingya lenti jong ka jingya kun bat ka jingtrei shitom ka belalam sya ka jingjop. Habakran syakilat pathai kubor ka Sanidahun kala ong ba ka jingkershan na ka yingkasem. Kamtam na kikmikik pa ba kinong hikai. Kalong ka bakong santam haga jingpoy siya katong. Kalau ong ba ka jingyo ya ka porban pulihi bat ka jingpelet jingmut haga jingpuli ka di ka benta ka bakong san. Kala penti kenaru ba kala persang ban kian haga jingpen berngya kum ka social media na markini kila ban pen pulom ya ka jingpuli lada om pendon kam hong. Ka jingyarap na ka yingkasem bat ka jingyalam na kinong hikai kala ay mensuyem yang nga banang tray shitom. Nga jubuk por kerpang ban pulihi bat ban pelet jimut haki benta ki bang asyam jingngeit kalaong ka Sanidahun kala batairu ba ka jingyo jingtip da ka ba wadhi ba ka jingyo kun ban skotu bhai ki subject kala yarap ya ka ban ki usyaprang kala ai jingmut ya ki wei pat ki samla puli ba kin long ki ba minot kin pindon kam hong ya ka por bat kin kiar na ka jingpin berngya ki ba omdan jingmentoy kala benram ka jingjop kamwan da ka basuk hynrei da ka jingtrei shitom bat ka jingngeit haladihi.
Pagkasyan bo rin yung do ulit na mga duay na lecture mani na paano na pan ka jingkasyan bangan laban pulikat kamtam do kabol bangan laban pulikat ta hadian pat ngadon ruban ay nu ikinang hikay di badon rikat lambat na to support i-principal man and kibon ki na family members yung aki ay moral support mabaro kinang hikay ki encourage ba
Tinang ni sakmat ke imta ke jingpuli pinsim nang ni sakmat mentau ke dapat jadi ki subjek baknya
namut syam ya ka science stream
pinon jingtemu yu
ngadon jingtemu banyak puli medical ta ko bless you pun reality nong cloud
Esa dihun pilap ban batai ni kani ke jingkon jingpi sakmat ei kumno pi mani cekapor bat hakan urkom nomor ka kepertai social media menta babun ki pundut por ka pendon kam hagi internet te pi pundut por kan ko pi pundut por
te ka baningkong ya nan ai ngo show yo ublay mau lalong bekersan yang nga penpenla yang nga bande kini ki baro nang ta de kadang ko ka trick ba fin manage ka por te ngitip baro nilong it hai ka social media long ni spend time ha mo ha ka phone ni tang ba dadi ha kini ki por exam kam ta me ha ka por preparation pat fidan kam shisha ken ban long dedicated long ban long determined te ka phone ka de ka way na ki distractions ngam ong ba ka ditang ki disadvantage long ki advantage ro ki don namar fila ban fi browse mo ki don ki balong important tang ba ka phone pat ka long ka distraction namar ba kane ka hinder no ya ka self study period jong ki kena kan ka distract no ya ka balong important kan ka bagi depan fokus kadan ki book se te fila ban le research ki nong hikai ha school ni fila ban ki libit na ki information maki yob first hand information hi amunta
tikat no kun
jam ke ngalaban om kum tu ngapuli got praden tai tambah kam de continuous part min step na shimpor adin tai kum tu ta hadian shim ken break kum tu 15 minutes time and then so resume biang ki studies don't fee hadian kum tu janmit ru adin ta kum tu fi pya te kala long full 8 hours kan feel apa ban I full concentration dari efficient breaks ru hapadam
hatu kini ki arkanta pi puli bitang wi subject na pi ka kumno pi manage pada wi subject
ho nishna show the routine let's show ibe subject back pendap show baro hadian bisa move on but to the next subject
nadu kijingya puli ki jong pi ki kijingye pi kendo tat hadu ne ski bo pi wi pi poi sakmat manta kijingye play takku padang kijing tia
kijingye kijingay takku kiwe te kilong katahi katay management period te hadian pat hakane kapor long bangali anam ta kini matric exam skin te na along put a hold shisha ken na along buckle up shisha na di na mga tip kani ka balong serious pa kadi ka first most important exam kijing ko joni te kumta hi school ru kadang ki slack off kita me te let's say kata kala laban penduna no ki marks haki for selection ni te ki pre selection ni ru tambah kata pat na combine nak ken na buckle up na ina di pat kini kita
Idea from All Saints School.
Okay, can you tell us how do you success this? How do you plan your reading and all that? What time? How many time you spend?
I guess I do not have a specific amount of studying hours. I just studied like whenever I felt like I was not disciplined at first, but then when the exams came near, I grew very tired and stressed, and then I started studying like 8 or 7 hours like that.
Nowadays, because it's very difficult to, because regarding that we have to use internet, mobile phone. How do you tackle to handle this with
At
your
first,
study?
at first I was very distracted by my mobile phones, and I kept checking the mobile, even if for just to search things up. And then I used to get distracted. But you know what what is the major thing required to like tackle this problem is just that your will should be nice. Your will should be very strong to overcome this problem.
In your success, no, to whom you will give the gratitude?
My dear teachers and my dear mother, obviously.
How many days you spend to reading a book?
So,
How many hours you spend a day in reading a book?
uh, firstly, I used to study like 2-3 hours a day, like during school days. And when like I got the studying session, I did like 6 hours like that, 6-7 hours.
6-7 hours you study. So you divide your timing in each subject, or how do you do?
Like I do not study like that. Like for English, I used to study only a little bit because like I find it easy. For social science, I took more time because I did not like it at first, like that.
For in future, what do you plan?
I just plan to stay consistent, through all my future encounters.
Do you have any plan to, and in which college you want to study, here in Shillong, or you want to go outside
I
of the
want to
state?
go outside.
Sebab tu ikut pilih ikut buat orang makan.
Ti habdin ke jingwan ju phi habakat prane. Kumnu phi penduk por kawan kreat. Habidi bukan ke juk entar hitam bedi jingkulan kami ke mobile phone.
Kata te kadar hilang kapur, yang ada buat lah kapur, ban TV, ban kereta kekot, ban telefon, kapur kia, kapur bang, tak, ban ada buat. Kereta kekot itu lagi tang tu sah, kan bayu pun tu, ban tak.
Ke jing per ka plan ju phi nang ni sakmat pada.
Nga tengah ngamut ban lecah saya stream te apa, saya dah college.
Tiga ke jingmu ju phi pune sen satu phi dom kalau lu jing nak puli medical mana kini gitu tak.
Kata yang masih terang hai ke medical ada mahasiswa
Hadin ke jingwan phi sakmat deh yang phi tu deh banai ku beli pada.
lingkong tu yang aku akan sungguh ai sungguh you boleh dengan budak dan dekatnya ada orang sedang kena exam ni hari mipa begini kai ru kita dalam nanti yang ada nanti
Ang iyo iro bah try kamu kata kejeng kamu bah pin kre ban ban yakun ni kini.
yang kata dia tempat nak menang entah sampai saya dia buat